The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Study IQ Academy Davangere and make your 9th and 10th spoken dreams come true. Download the app now.
Study IQ Academy is recognized as the best coaching institute in Davangere because of the consistent success achieved by the students who have taken 9th and 10th coaching classes. Admissions open for long-term courses, 10th and 9th CBSE and state subjects-wise tuition classes. We cover all the subjects like mathematics, science, social science, and English, grammar and literature. Each subject is perfectly handled by the subject experienced experts. Do you want to know how the expert engage the class at the academy? Have a look.
Dear students, today we'll discuss a very important topic in grammar, that is tenses. Simple present tense. So where do we use this simple present tense? So simple present tense is expressed to use our regular activity, or simple present we also use in the context to talk about universal facts, permanent situation, SES or IES. So where do we use this S form? In a sentence when the verb is a singular, that is he, she, it. If that he, she, it, then you need to go with the structure of the simple present tense, that is a subject, main verb, which is main verb, we verb, and one is the primary verb and another one is the model verb. And primary verb is divided into three types. One is these are three forms are there. So be form, have form, do form. Okay, these are the three forms which is divided. And again it is be form. Which are the be forms? Now probably in the examination or in the question paper, you might have get the questions like this. Fill in the blanks for the be form. Be form means what? So these are the be forms. Am, is, are, was, were. And do form, do, does, did. And have form, have, has, and had. So these are the types of be forms, do form, and have forms. Students, as you already experienced of writing paragraph writing, but this is analytical paragraph. Analytical paragraph means you will get the statistical data here. Statistical data you can need a line chart, bar chart, pie chart. So you need to make an analysis here. So what are the facts that's given in this analytical paragraph? You need to thoroughly check and be careful and whatever the data they give. See, the data which is given here, it is for example 2000 to 2001. If you have the updated information with you like the 2022, 2023, you should not use your own facts. The facts which is given in your question paper or the facts which is given in your question, only you need to take and analyze and you need to do a paragraph of writing it. And how to do the paragraph writing? There are three stages. One is first you need to give a overall introduction, and after the introduction you need to elaborate that by using these facts. That is called as the body of the paragraph. First is elaborate this, and next final conclusion. So what is your conclusion according to the question which is asked in your examination? Okay, so this.
My name is Rakesh. So I'm handling mathematics subject from Study IQ Academy. Yes, today I'm going to take important topic that is called tangent. Tangent to a circle. So I'm going to explain about. So the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So just see all of you here. So AP and AQ are the two tangents. So I'll explain how the AP and AQ two tangents are equal. So if you consider, so we are having two triangles OP and there are 2 points connected to a circle. So a line meeting a circle, only one point is called tangent to a circle. So always from one external point we are going to see two equal tangents to the circle. So if you want to prove this theorem, again we need to consider given to prove construction and proof. These things will be very important. So first thing, to given a circle with center O and point P outside the circle and tangents PQ and PR. Now I am going to prove how the PQ and PR are two equal tangents. So here I am going to consider two triangles. OPQ one triangle and OPR another triangle. In this graph, in this case the graph cuts the x-axis into exactly at one point. So that is at two coincident points. A polynomial, the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so here we are going to see the graphs of polynomials. So always quadratic polynomial. So we are going to see three cases in this quadratic polynomial. So one graph, if the graph cuts, okay, exactly at one point. So we are going to see only 1 0, then that is understood. So there is only 1 0.
Dimensional graph is here. This is to be a bar graph and here is to be a ups and downs of the graphs of the length. One dimension diagram is to be a continuation part of the growth, and when it is to be a decline here, again see here one point to be another point, next point and this point, and you can recognize here of a 1991, and the same the next one graph you can observe here the populations 1, 2, 3, what is the increasing and what is the decreasing here. What you are finding, again it is to be here in the year wise, and what is to be here in the population in the million wise, and what is to be here in the construction of numbers, and how it is to be increases the population. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and it is to be a point in 2021. So here we can observe the agriculture, handicraft, cotton textiles, and handicraft textiles. Electricity also one of the important source of energy. For this, what we have to do here, we have to construction of a dam across the rivers. Good evening students. Today we are going to discuss about globalization. The globalization means interconnection between the countries. The trade, it is not only the trade inside the country.
Welcome to Study IQ Academy. My name is Pratik. Now I am going to handle physics for class 10. Now we are going to deal with a very important topic, whatever you have learned already, the very simple topic also, that is reflection of light. Due to this reflection of light, we can see different kinds of objects. Due to the formation of image, light or white light passes through a glass prism. It disperses into its constant colors. This phenomenon is known as dispersion of light. When a white light ray passes through a prism, it disperses into its constant colors. These colors are called as, or this process is known as dispersion of light. The 7 colors are as follows: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Totally it is called as Vidgaya. Total there are 7 colors whenever it passes through red. Now we are going to learn about the important organ of or sense organ of our human body, that is eye. Due to this, we are able to see different kinds of objects. The image whichever it forms on our eye, it makes the nerves which is connected to the eye makes us to see the objects very clearly. Now we are going to learn the different parts of the eye which enables us to see different.
Are responsible to get a food by a mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Plants are responsible to inhale the carbon dioxide, and oxygen is a gas which is responsible to get liberated out by the production of food. So exactly the whole and sole process of photosynthesis is responsible for the plants to get a food. Plants are responsible to inhale the carbon dioxide as well as water from the outside, and in the presence of sunlight they use to produce the food. So the mode of autotrophic mode of nutrition, it requires some time. So there are few events present in the photosynthesis process. They are absorption, conversion as well as reduction. The left side of the heart consists of 2 chambers here. So left atrium and left ventricle, as well as the right side of the heart will be having another 2 chambers, that is right atrium and right ventricle. So left atrium is responsible to receive the oxygenated blood into the heart through the lungs, through the structure called as pulmonary veins. So from the left atrium, now the oxygenated blood
Congratulations to all the brilliant students of Study IQ Academy who have achieved the best result in their 10th standard exam. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have paid off, and you have made your parents, teachers, and your Study IQ Academy proud. Study IQ Academy has its own e-learning app. Download now. Keep learning and keep growing. Courses we offered: offline courses, class 10th and 9th tuitions for state and CBSE students, advanced spoken English classes, first and second PUC commerce tuitions, and even degree students too. And we have online courses: NEET, JEE, IELTS, coding, competitive exam, IAS, KAS, banking, technical courses, and IBPS, GK, current affairs, mental ability. So other over 50 courses are available in our e-learning app. We even conduct all India level tests for 9th and 10th students. Classes started for 9th and 10th CBSE and state. Join immediately. For more details, you can call to these numbers.